It's an incredibly big universe. Do you ever wonder how much we really know? I mean, back in the day, we'd come to the library and try to learn everything. But now we live in a new age, an unprecedented one for human beings. And sometimes that information is too much, feeling like a tsunami instead of a helpful dose of water. And now, as human beings, we need a new way to process this new access and volume of information. That's why we have philosophic technology and the citizen body to give us systems and skills to be able to do just that. Hey, I can dig that, man. But what's the active uncertainty part? What's that all about, man? Yeah, what is that? Great question. That's one of the techniques. The first thing to realize is that what we don't know is infinitely more than what we actually do know. It's really important to understand that things like the origin of the universe, the origin of life and us, even what to eat, and every event and all of its true details are basically unknown. Our entire judicial system is a struggle with uncertainty and trying to approach certainty, which is why we prove things or try to prove things beyond a reasonable doubt, the uncertainty that's inherent in all of human relations. We have to understand and be able to apply that theories and faiths are not the same as certainty. If we're going to solve our problems as human beings, we need to start here. Once you establish a philosophical framework that you mostly don't know, when the new information comes at you, you are holding it in active uncertainty, comfortably. We teach the skill at the Citizen Body. Want more ideas? Then like, share, subscribe, or donate. And visit us at thecitizenbody.com.